I'll be showing you how to change the RAM and the SSD in the Geekom A8. This PC is powerful, portable, and easy to take apart. To start off, you're going to want to take out the rubber feet. They slot in and just pop right out. So once all 4 of the rubber feet are taken off, it'll reveal 4 screws underneath, which you're just going to simply want to unscrew and remove the back cover plate. Be careful for the wire connecting the Wi-Fi card. Gently set that aside. Unscrew these 4 screws holding this panel in. Keep track of all of your screws as you're doing this. Gently peel back the tape to hold the Wi-Fi wire in place. Keep that aside. And now you have it opened up to do whatever upgrades or repairs you need to do. With your 2 RAM sticks on the left and your SSD on the right. Just make sure when you're closing it back up, place that tape firmly to the underside of that bar. Put the screws back in the order you took them out. And you're all set to use this powerhouse. Follow Geekom on social media for announcements and more videos like this.